So we're going to buy a house, and it requires a deposit of 74,000 Australian dollars. She's going to invest an amount of Australian dollars in an account that pays an interest rate of 5.5% compounded monthly. Find the amount she needs to invest to reach 74,000 after 8 years. Give your answer. So we're back to investing in an account. These are always the easier ones. So the future value is 74,000. The interest rate is 5.5. It's compounded monthly, and we're doing it for 8 years. And so it wants to know what was the present value that we had to put into that account. These are always nicer problems, less thinking. So 8 years, 5.5% interest. Let's see. Payment. So we got to reset some stuff here. Payment to 0. Future value is 74,000. And we're compounding 12 times per year. What was the present value? Enter. So 47,706.63. 47,706.63 is what we would have had to put into that account to have 74,000 at the end. All right. So then it says find the number of years it would take Julia to save 74,000 if she. Oh, hang on. Her parents are going to add 5,000 to her initial investment for Part A. However, only if she invests her money in a reliable bank that pays nominal interest rate of only 3.5% compounded quarterly. So how much would she need to save? How much would it take to save if she accepts her parents' money and follows their advice? All right, so we got to think a little bit here. So future value is still 74,000. Okay, so 74,000. I had to make sure that they were going to give her that money at the beginning when she puts it in the bank. The future value is 74,000. The interest rate is now only 3.5%, and it compounds only 4 times per year. We're still doing 8 years. And, we want to know what the present value is, keeping in mind that her parents are going to give her $5,000. So what's the present value? We'll talk about what to do with that in a second. So we're 8 years. The interest rate is 3.5%. 3.5%. The present value, I don't know. The payment is nothing. 74,000, but it's only compounding 4 times per year. So what is the present value here? It's going to be significantly more. So 55,996.15. So 55,996.15. 996.15. But the parents are giving her $5,000. So she would need to have $50,996.15, which is more than she would need in the other one. So if it asked you what should she do, she should invest her own money in the higher interest rate bank.